The eagle has landed. What's up, gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Now this is the first time any fold device has ever been on this channel, or any flip phone, flip flap, floop flap, any type of folding type of device that's a smartphone has been on this channel. So I'm super excited about this. Picked this up from the Samsung website. Yeah, I know this device is a little expensive, but for the very first time I've seen that you're able to trade in multiple devices to lower the cost of the Z Fold 3 down. That is super cool. If you have multiple devices lying around and you want to trade and get a nice high quality, super high tech device that's gonna last you, go ahead and trade in up to 5 devices, and you can trade smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. So the whole shebang. So I did trade in my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So I got this for around $1,200, $1,100 actually. No, I was actually a little cheaper than that, but then picked up the watch and the buds combo. So out the door with the buds, the watch, and the Z Fold 3 was a little bit over $1,200. It's not too bad. It is high on price, but you do get the whole shebang. You get the whole package. You get the earbuds, the watch, and the phone itself. So you are fully immersed into the Samsung ecosystem. So without further ado, let's take a look at the Z Fold 3 here. Let's go. This is very cool packaging here. Very minimal, as you can see. Samsung right there. Bam. Samsung Galaxy Fold 3 right there. Nothing else, nothing on top. We do need an unboxing knife to cut that sticker. Let's go ahead and cut the sticker. I did pick up the 256 gig model, I believe, the lowest one they offer for storage. I don't need too much storage, nothing fancy. Let's go ahead and unbox this, and whoa, voila, look at this bad boy. Let's go ahead and place this on the side. What else do we get in the box itself? We do get a power cord. Damn, they don't even give you a brick with the Fold 3. That's pretty bummed out. So you do get additional perks with the purchase of this. You get the Galaxy Z Premier. You do have to scan the QR code. You do got your SIM injection tool, your quick start guide, and that's about it. You get your charger cable, which is type C to type C. You don't get a charging brick. I thought they would at least give you a charging brick with this bad boy, but apparently they can, because they're trying to save the world. You know what I'm saying? Save the world. Boom, 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 boom. And that is all that's in the box here when you purchase your Galaxy Z Fold 3. Let's go ahead and place this on the side, and let's take a look at the device itself. Very cool. I ain't gonna lie, it's not that thick when it's, as you can see. Nice. Let's go ahead and remove this. Oh, they trick you. I thought that I was gonna say you can't even see the crease here, but look at this. This is the all black cover layer protective film, all black protective film, making it seem like it's seamless, and you can see the seam there. You can see the camera cut out there on top. Of course the phone is powered off, but it feels and looks pretty good. You do got a protective screen protector here in front of the device, and I don't think you have one on the, I'm not going to remove it, but if you do have one there, and then let's fold it for the very first time, and voila, look at the thickness of that bad boy. Damn, it's not bad. This is my Galaxy S21, and thickness wise it's just a tad bit thicker if you're rocking the case, so it's not too thick. Does feel a little heavier, obviously. So on front we have a 6.2-inch display. When you fold it, you got a 7.6-inch display, which is pretty cool. It does weigh 271 grams. It is pretty solid device. Feels solid though, I ain't gonna lie. It does feel very premium and solid. Of course, you pay the premium price. So the main screen is a 7.6 Quad HD dynamic AMOLED display. It's an Infinity Flex display is what they call it. It's 2208 by 1768, 374 ppi, HDR 10 plus certified, 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate, and you do get the under display camera, which a lot of people have mixed feelings about the under display camera, so we'll cover that later. So the cover screen itself is a 6.2 HD plus dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display. You do have a front facing camera there as well. It's a 22 by 68 by 832, 387 ppi, and it's also 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate. So you get 120 hertz on the front and 120 hertz in the middle. This is at the middle of the main display there. It is S Pen compatible, but you are going to have to buy a separate type of special S Pen for this device. Nonetheless, you can use the S Pen here. I do not recommend using any other one but the one that they specify for the Z Fold 3. You don't want to mess up your display. The cover camera on the front here is a 10 megapixel selfie camera. The front camera, when you open it, the one that's getting all the hype, it's a 4 megapixel under display camera. 4 megapixel, people. What do you guys expect from a 4 megapixel? 4 megapixel, 10 megapixel. Which one are you going to use? I don't know. Tell me down in the comment section below. Now the rear cameras here, it looks very simplistic design. I like this new design. I don't like the big bulky camera modules that OEMs are implementing on their new devices here. But we do have a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which is this front one. The second camera lens here in the middle is a 12 megapixel wide camera angle, and then the third one is a 13 megapixel telephoto camera lens, and then you got your flash there as well. So Samsung packs all the features, all the specs up. This basically is going to do whatever your S21 Ultra could do. It just has the folding thing a little bit better. The battery capacity on this is a 4400 milliamp hour battery. It is like a dual battery where they split it from side to side. You do have fast charging, 25 watts, fast charging wireless charging at 10 watts, and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watts. You don't get that travel adapter with it. 5G compatible. You can get this with 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of internal storage. This is the one I got. And then you can get the highest model, I believe, is 12 gigs of RAM with 512. It does have expandable memory compatible, so you can expand it if you want via memory card. No problems there. It does come with Android 11. Can't wait to see Android 12 on this bad boy here and see what they implemented in the new Android 12 OS with folding devices. Anything new, hopefully we get to see here first with the Galaxy Fold. Water resistant IPX8. Anything else is pretty much the same. So there you have it, guys. This was a quick unboxing, quick spec rundown of the Galaxy Fold 3. I'm gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on and just set it up and give you my first impressions of it. So hardware wise, I'm wowed. Never had a folding device before. I can see why people really like this device. It really screams premium, feels great in hand. I don't have cases right now, but I am going to have a lot of cases for this device. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when more Galaxy Fold 3 videos and case accessory videos for this device drop. Link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick up your own fold device. I strongly recommend it, dude. If you don't have one, you can, this is probably the cheapest you can get it, because you can trade multiple devices to bring down the cost of this device. I've never seen that before. I don't know if other, like Best Buy or anything, other stores are offering the same deals as Samsung, but Samsung is just throwing deals at you right now. You can get this device for a pretty low price with additional hardware like these Galaxy Buds. So before we leave, let's take a quick look at the Galaxy Buds here. Galaxy Buds 2, and let's go ahead and just unbox them. I'm not a audiophile, so not too much. If they sound good, look good, and perform good, pretty much that's what everybody cares about, right? Let's go ahead and... So inside you do get a little quick start guide. You get the earbuds itself. I thought I got the black ones, and I did get the black ones. Look at that. That's a nice carrying case right there. It's white, and then you open them, and voila, you have the AKG, Sound by AKG brand there. Bam, these are looking pretty cool. Look at that. Nice little carrying case. Boom. Type-C charging. You get a additional hardware here. You get a charging cable with additional ear tips there inside. But you get these with the watch if you picked up the watch package. But great combination here. The buds, the watch, and the phone. Bam, look at that. It doesn't get better than that. Like I said, link will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and order yourself the Galaxy Fold 3. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.